Elliot, a student at MCAS's Institute for the Creative Arts. My passion is collecting manga comics and other related collectibles. I've got an exciting update from the Activate project, a project co-funded by the European funds through Erasmus+. Activate is all about strengthening autistic advocacy, supporting training young autistic people to speak up for their rights and advocate for others too. And the big news, the research phase is now complete. 97 autistic young people took part in surveys and interviews to help shape what we're calling the Autism Advocacy Academy. So, what did they say? The top 3 areas where advocacy is needed the most are accessible health services, inclusive education, and workplace inclusion. They also reminded us that everyone learns in their own way. So the Academy will include a mix of online and in-person sessions, solo and group work, practical activities like mock advocacy exercises. A huge thank you to everyone who took part. A full report on the research findings will be published in the upcoming months. Now that the findings are in, the team is getting started on building the Academy's curriculum, shaped by everything you shared. Be sure to keep an eye on the Activate website for more updates. Thank you for helping us create a better future for autistic people, and we look forward to keeping you updated with the progress on Activate!